my name is Isabel.
And I am Sophia.
And we are the creators of
Sophia Boutique, I guess.
And Creative Escape.
Yeah, and today we are going to be talking about art kits and painting.
Hello everyone, my name is Isabel. I am the owner and creator at Creative Escape. I'm so glad you could join us today. Today I'm going to be talking to you about art kits. And I'm here with my youngest daughter and helper,
Sophia, and I'm 7 years old.
Very good. And today we're going to show you art kits. We're putting together art kits for adults and for kids. And so what's an art kit, you might ask? Well, it's everything you would need to complete one of our paintings from the comfort of your own home. So Fia's going to take us through what's in an art kit. Okay, show us the art kit.
It's right here. And
did you decorate that bag?
Yeah, it also has a little cute owl with a hedgehog. And it also decorated and yeah, I actually decorated it.
Okay.
I don't know what I was gonna say.
That's okay. What's inside?
A canvas.
Okay. This is an 8 by 10. We also will have 11 by 14 for the kids, and adults get a bigger canvas.
And we also have a cup for your water, and then a plastic plate for like maybe dipping your sponge brush, which is what this is. For like maybe dipping it and then painting it.
Very good.
Yeah, and by the way, this is a sponge brush. A fat brush.
Flat, not
Flat.
fat. Flat.
Sorry, I meant to say flat. And then a skinny,
Show it to them.
sharp brush.
Pointy brush,
Pointy brush.
for fine details.
Fine details. And then we also have a paper towel.
Yes, to clean a mess or to dab your brushes, right?
Yep. And then we also have black paints, and I hope this is what you want. Black paints,
Show it to
white. Oh, black paints, white paints,
Okay.
and then blue paints, orange paints. Oh, this one tipped over all the way.
That's okay because we have these containers and they're really tight. So they'll be safe.
Yep. And we also have yellow paint too.
Very good. Oh, Sophia, what if there's a color that it's not in the kit? What do we do then?
We can mix colors.
That's right, because it's not possible for us to send every possible color. So if there's a color that you want and it's not in there, you can always mix it up and get your colors.
Last of all, for example, what if we grab this one and then black and mix it with white?
Oh, what will black and white make?
Well then, I guess we have to experiment.
What color do you think?
See. I think it'll make, gray.
Yes, you're correct. So let's talk about the canvas. The canvas will come to you pre-sketched with your selected painting that you want to do. So like today, Sophia's going to paint a ukulele. So the canvas will be pre-sketched already with the drawing, so you don't have to stress about having to draw it out. Just paint it. And we will have many different cute designs. This one is these little stacked up cups and some playful mice on there, and we've got some with a frog. We have some gnomes. So we'll have a bunch of selection available.
There's only one more thing.
Oh, what's that?
We also can do, and we also have a popsicle stick to mix colors too.
Very good. Great
I'll
job.
just put these.
These kits will be available for local pickup as well as shipping, so we can ship them anywhere. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video. It is our first, as you can tell. But Sophia's going to do this painting, and we're going to share it with you, time-lapse video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
And I hope you like the other video that we're gonna do.
Yes.
It's gonna be next time.
Yes, it will be next time.
But we will do the painting video right now.
Yes. Bye.
I hope you like it. Let's move on.